Okay, so let's talk about a feature in Lightroom that gives life to any dead photograph like this. So I'm gonna reset all the settings that I've done to this photo and I will start from the scratch. Now this is a good photo, but it is very faded. Given the time of the day, which was I think around 3 o'clock, everything was very faded. So look what this slider does to the photo. You just have to go to the color section of Lightroom and increase the vibrance of your photo. Now you don't have to go too much so that it looks fake, but yes, you can use it to your extent, to whatever suits your eyes. Okay, so you can then crop it in whatever size you want. I crop it in 4:5 because that is the Instagram size. Then you can edit it in whatever manner you want, give it a little bit of editing, just so that you know that your photo looks good. But basically what puts life in a faded photo is the vibrance slider.
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is
Now the same thing can be said about Snapseed as well. You can see I'm doing just the basic editing, like lowering the highlights, popping up the shadows, and tweaking with the contrast and saturation. But what does the trick is the ambience slider. Look at when I change the ambience, it changes the accentuation of the photo. The photo altogether looks very different, looks colorful, even though there is no color at that time of the day. It's not faking a photograph, it's just what your eyes sees, your camera cannot sometimes. So this helps you to put those colors back into the photo. And then you can do some basic adjusting, like whatever you start with. I crop the photos, like I said. I increase the details, I tweak the shadows, I tweak the white balance of the photo, and that's it. And then whatever it suits your eyes, whatever you like, you can do in the photo. Do not do anything more than it is needed for a photograph, because that kind of ruins it. So just stick to the basics. That is the simple trick that helps you to put the color, put the life back into the photo when something is dull, when something is not giving up that life. You can see how different it photo looks now from the original photo. That's about it. I think that's the trick that you need.